Hey friends, it's me Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut video, and we are making this really cute cactus card. There's the outside and then we have the inside. This whole outside is done using the Cricut markers. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged in to Cricut Design Space. I'm also on the welcome screen. We're going to click on the category right here, card making, and then click on birthday. Then go to the right and click on see more. In the search box at the very top, we're going to type in the word cactus and then click on enter. You'll see they have two different styles of the cactus cards, but they have this one and this one. I chose this one here. I'm going to click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. Very bottom, choose customize. Alright, so here is our image here. I'm going to go ahead and make it larger so I can see. So I'm going to right click on it and choose detach to separate the two layers. So we have this piece and we have this piece here. On this one, I do want to hide the four corners as well as that triangle piece. So I have that piece selected. The bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, go and click on where it says Contour. I'm going to hide this piece there and then all four of those corners as well. So you can close that one out. Now on this one, I want to hide all these lines. So the same thing, have it selected, go to the Contour button. This one's a tad bit trickier, so I'm going to zoom in a lot here so I can see it. Alright, so I'm going to grab that line. Now I can see right here on my design what lines are hiding. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to close that out. This way I have room there for text. Now this piece, if you look on the far right on your layers panel, you can see it says pen. So it's not going to cut it out. It's just going to draw this out on whatever color cardstock you like. So I need to make a cut layer. So I'm going to right click on this and choose duplicate. So now I have another one over here. I'm going to go to the very bottom and choose contour. And I'm going to choose hide all contours. So now I have this piece here. Now I have this piece selected. I'm going to go to the upper toolbar and click on where it says offset. And then click on, I just chose the regular one. So now I can delete this layer because this is the pen layer. And now we have the cut layer. So I'm going to make this go to basic. I'm going to make it be white. Now I don't want it to be that big. I'm going to move this. I'm going to right click on this and choose bring to front. So we can see I don't want it to be that big of a layer. So I'm going to go a little bit smaller on that. Just a little bit. And I like working in larger sizes like this until I get everything the way I like it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is bring this piece back over here. I'm going to right click on it and choose bring to front. This is the inner piece that's going to cut out. Put that there. Alright, so I'm going to group all those together. So now I'm able to resize them. So I want the height of this to be 4.25. That was going to fit on our card front nicely. Alright, so now I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to go to my left-hand side toolbar, click on text, and I'm going to type in stuck on you. I'm going to change that to a writing style, so click where the font is. I'm going to uncheck the kern box and click on writing. And I'm going to choose, I forget what font I chose, maybe this Alphalicious one. Let's go ahead and click on that. Yeah, I do like that. So we're going to change this to writing. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom this back out so I can see. I'm going to right click on it and choose ungroup. Alright, then I'm going to bring this over, bring this down. You can make this be as big or as small as you like it. I'm going to go a little bit bigger. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. So now we have all of our pieces here. I'm going to highlight everything, right click, and then choose attach. So now you can see we have the pen layer, which is our wording. We have a cut layer, which is the inner pieces of the cactus, the pen layer, and then we have the cut layer for the outside. Upper right-hand corner, click on Make It. If it brings up this card mat, just go to the left-hand side, choose where it says Mat. Oop, hang on, that's not attached. You want to go back and attach that. Make sure it's all attached there. Right-click, Attach. All right, let's try it again. There we go. But it's not that big, is it? No. Did I? Oh, I didn't resize it again, did I? I did not. Okay, let's go ahead back and resize it. Make the height be 4.25. There we go. I then go back and click on Make It. If it brings up the card mat, just go to the left-hand side and choose regular mat. And we have that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue, cut this out over the table, and put the card together. All right, well, you're back. Everything is cut out. So I'm first going to take my cardstock, and this is 8.5 by 5.5, scored in the middle at 4 1/4. Take our bone folder and give it a nice crease. And this is Papertrey Ink Soft Stone. Then I have this paper layer. This is 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to put this on the front. It's a very simple card to make. Okay, that's going to go on the front right here. All right, then we have the piece for the inside, 4 by 5 1/4. Then I just have this same paper, and I just cut this to be a 1/2 inch. And I'm going to put this on the bottom. You can have it do on the side or the bottom. I'm going to go to the bottom. Not all the way to the bottom though. Okay, flip it over, cut off the extra pieces. Okay, oop, I missed a piece there. There we go. All right. So thumbs up if you like fast cards like I do. All right, we're going to put this one here. Super cute. And then all we have is this piece, and I'm going to pop that one up. So I'm going to grab some foam squares. I'm going to do 2 per side. Okay, just like that. And give all them a squish. And I have a card kit over here as well. Let me show you that in a minute. Okay, 2 more. There we go. Now you can have this go on the card on an angle in the center. I think I'm going to have mine go on an angle just to be a little bit different on this one. How cute, right? So how do you like it? Straight, like this one, or on an angle? All right, so the card kit is right here. I include all the pieces you need as well as the envelope, and I will also include this card with the envelope as well. So you have a finished card you can mail out, and a card you can make as well. All right, so be entered in the card kit. Leave me a comment below with a cactus emoji or a boot emoji, something Western, okay? Now I'll pick a winner, so make sure you watch this coming Saturday. That's when I announce the card kit winner, so if you do enter, make sure you watch this coming Saturday. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.